Hey, what's up guys? Ben your agent at BenYourAgent.com. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to share some amazing stuff happened this week on my journey. Stay tuned. What's up guys? Ben your agent at BenYourAgent.com. eXp Realty. As you guys know, this is week 34 on my journey, guys. So many great, amazing blessings been happening on this week as you guys been watching my Instagram. If you haven't, check out my Instagram or my Facebook at Ben Your Agent. I always post updates and cool tips and also pictures on there. But just want to share you guys what happened this week. I'm going to take a look at my notes real quick. Number one, big wins for the Aguilar Realty Group. Huge wins, as you guys hopefully haven't stopped watching, but on my Instagram I posted there have been 3 listings on our team just within a week went into escrow. How amazing is that? And I'm just so happy and so joyful to announce that one of our buyers, we found him a home in Adelanto. It has been a journey with them, you know, going through the whole process and watching them. As a new agent, I love to watch brand new buyers from the beginning all the way to the end. And you guys might have remembered this one, they found a home with my handprint on their house. So that was really cool. This week we got to finally give them the keys to their home, their first home, their first amazing brand new home with a pool and everything. Such a beautiful home, and I wish the best of luck to them. And we also were able to help a client sell their home, and I think you guys remember, as you guys following my journey, helping them do their open house in West Covina and also finding them a home in West Covina. And it's a really nice home over in the $2 million in West Covina. Yes, I said 2 million, that's right. So it was cool to see the journey from selling their home and finding them buy a home in this market. So if you guys think, oh, you know, you don't want to sell your home because you can't find a home, well, our team were able to do it within, I would say, a month, literally. So huge wins for the Aguilar Realty Group. And the second thing I want to talk about is how the market is changing, guys. The market is changing, and there are 3 things I want to share with you guys how the market is changing. Number 1, mortgage rate is increasing. Number 2, less offers are being put out for each home. When I got into this last year around September, I'm seeing homes that are getting offers that are like up to 40 offers for one home. That's not the case anymore, which is good news for, you know, buyers, but it's still competitive, so don't get me wrong. Like one of our homes that we just listed this week got 14 offers, so it's still competitive, but it's not super competitive. And the last thing is there is an uptick in inventory, which is great news for buyers. So if you're looking to buy, there's definitely an uptick in more inventory out there for you. And so I'm just so amazed by this market, how, you know, it's always changing, and even for myself, you know, as an agent, you know, and how important it is to find the best home for a buyer. It shows me how patient I need to be and how patient buyers need to be, and we'll find the right one. So, and last, the third thing I want to share is this week I started getting leads from Ojo. If you're a new agent and you're looking to get some leads, I would recommend joining Ojo, OJO. One specific lead that I'm grateful for, and it's an all cash buyer lead, and I'm gonna help them, and I'll see them this Friday, so I'm super excited. And then the last but not least, guys, I want to share with you guys, you might see it on my Facebook, every week, but I've been doing live training weekly with my team leader Hector Aguilar. Been sharing some amazing tips on, you know, different topics in real estate, like what is an appraisal, you know, or you know, it's how does the school affect the homes in the area, things like that, or what does a buyer's inspection look like? Well, these weekly trainings are built for me to, you know, learn every week, but also at the same time, I want to educate you buyers or sellers out there, and also new agents out there that are watching my videos. So I just pray and I hope that you're continuing to get a lot of content from my video weekly. I'm so grateful for all you guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and share this if it's good information to someone else. But I thank you for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys on the next video, and have a blessed week. Take care.